mansion house. So it's a house with juniper animals in, and we're going to be building it, and hope you're excited, and I'm super excited. So you can see, you put your animals in it and you build it. So it's going to be super fun, and I hope you have so many comments. And let's try and get this video up to 10,000, 50,000 likes. And you can see how many pieces there are, and so many. And I got this from Christmas for my mum and dad. So I really enjoyed of this. So give us a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our video, hit that bell button, and let's get on to the video. That's what I wanted to tell you. This is my backyard, and there used to be a man, he is stuck, but now he's out with that place. So, yep, that's all we need to tell you. This is a special delivery truck from our wells. So, it's super big, and I do not know what is it. Guys, look! It's so cool. Hey, yo, Zuda! That moves, and this moves. It's pretty cool, huh? This is the living room. So let's open it. Look, it's a disco ball. Let's connect it to the top after. Well, look, it's a lamp. It actually does light up. See? I'm just gonna have to turn this on. And let's put it right here. And here is the couch. I'm so excited to open the fantasy set. Guys, I don't know what to do with this disco ball, so comment down below what do you do with this disco ball, okay? And give us a big thumbs up. So, yeah. Guys, I just want to have a good video, and hope you see me next time. And click that subscribe button, and I hope you watch my next video, because we're going to open the Poopsie Baton. We're going to have wave number 1 Poopsies, and we're going to have to play with unicorns. It'll be so much fun. And this is my dog Mia. So yeah, I hope you have a good time.